Hey everyone, so today I have a Flissa Pocket Knife that was sent to me to do a product review on. So let's jump right in. First things first, this is the perfect size of pocket knife. As you can see in comparison to my hand, not too big, not too small. It has the nice switchblade design to be able to pop the blade out. I really like the design and shape of the blade here, where it has the nice blunt surface on the back of the blade there. From here, it's really kind of probably hard to tell on the camera here, maybe catch the light just right. This is a very dark colored blade, but it does have a wood grain texture to it. I like that it has the part here that you push to the side to be able to collapse the blade itself. It's got a nice belt hook, and it also has the space here to be able to attach it if you want to a hook, clip, anything similar to that. It's not a real big space, but you could definitely run some material through there. Overall, this is a great product.